Justin here with Pavement Coatings. Here's 5 tips to maintaining your floor. Tip number 1, regular cleaning and maintenance. To make this easy, we recommend just using a dust mop or a microfiber mop, or make it even simpler on yourself and getting a robotic vacuum. It is recommended that you clean your floors about 2 times a week per pet or per person in the house. That can mean a lot of cleaning. Tip number 2, spot treatment. We recommend that you spot treat daily to clean up small messes and small spills to help keep your floor fresh and clean. Tip number 3, mopping. We do recommend mopping your floor once every couple of weeks just to get a lot of that dirt and grime off and keep your floor feeling good and keeping that shine. Tip number 4, we recommend with furniture using felt pads to help keep that floor from scratching and keep it looking nice. Tip number 5, you don't need any special cleaners. In most cases, warm or hot water will take care of 90% of your needs with cleaning your floor. You don't need any special cleaners. However, if you do need to use a special cleaner, we do recommend using a neutral pH cleaner. I hope you find these helpful for maintaining and keeping your floor looking great.